Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Samanita and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can achieve this easy glam makeup look using few products from Bellora Cosmetics. So without further ado, let's just start the video. So recently I came across an amazing brand of makeup which is named as Bellora Cosmetics. I'm really excited to try out their products. So if you don't know about Bellora Cosmetics, then let me tell you, Bellora Cosmetics is the first Made Safe certified makeup brand across Europe and Asia, and now they are available in India. This brand have huge variety of makeup, among which today I'm going to use 3 makeup from this brand, and their product come in this lovely beautiful box which has their name Bellora on the top of this box, and I'm really excited to show you what all the products I got. So the first product is Bellora Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer. This one is priced rupees 7.99 and you are going to get 30 gram of product. So this is the outer carton box of the product. So this is the illuminating moisturizer, and you can see it from the condition of my tube that how much I have used it, and it just hydrate, nourish your skin. And yes, you can also mix this illuminating moisturizer with your regular foundation to get that dewy kind of your makeup look. So you can use this illuminating moisturizer in many ways. I really like their tube kind of packaging, and their packaging look really luxurious. As you can see, the golden cap of the tube really add the luxurious feelings of this packaging. Let me show you the texture of this illuminating moisturizer. So yes, this is how the illuminating moisturizer look like. Now I am blending it a little bit so that you can see the texture. It is very lightweight moisturizer that nourishes, hydrates and vitalizes my skin. It improves the firmness of my skin and elasticity. It also accelerates blood circulation and it delays the process of aging. Can you just imagine that one illuminating moisturizer which have so many good things for your skin? Now if you see it very closely, you can see that this illuminating moisturizer have real nano gold and have a pearl effect highlighter, which is actually when you blend it, it look very natural on all skin type. No matter what is your skin type, it can be oily or dry or combination, but this illuminating moisturizer is going to work equally beautiful in all skin type. Can you just see how my skin is looking right now? I really like this silky soft texture of this illuminating moisturizer. I really like to use this illuminating moisturizer, and yes, I am using like every day literally this illuminating moisturizer, and I just love it. So every time I just apply this illuminating moisturizer, I get benefit of all the goodness that is present in this moisturizer. I really feel good after using this illuminating moisturizer. Moreover, I feel like my skin feels so hydrated and nourished after using this moisturizer, and every time I use this moisturizer, it gives me an instant pearl effect on my skin, and my skin feels so glowy. I just love it. It has a very sweet fragrance that come from IFRA certified ingredients, which is definitely not harmful on your skin. And if you have sensitive nose like me who get irritated with the fragrance that used to present on the skincare products or in makeup products, then let me tell you, this fragrance is definitely not going to bother on your sensitive nose, because it has a very mild fragrance which is very soothing kind of whenever you apply this moisturizer. So yes, over in all, I really like this illuminating moisturizer. It is actually one tube full of goodness. Moving on to the next product, and the next product is Identity Intense Black 24x7 Kajal, all from Bellora Cosmetics. Now this is the outer packaging of the kajal. I really like the packaging of this kajal also, because this kajal comes up in a beautiful nude pink kind of packaging, and yes, the price of this kajal is rupees 2.99 and you are going to get 0.35 gram of this product. And it has a twist up kind of packaging like so, which means that you don't need any sharpener to sharpen this eye pencil, and that means less wastage of product. I really like this kajal, it just because that it is very intense black kind of kajal. It is very smooth on my eyes. It is definitely smudge proof, and I created this upper and lower lash line area using this kajal only. This is a smudge proof kajal, so when I was applying this kajal on my upper eyelid area and on my lower lash line. I had to smudge it very quickly, otherwise this kajal will dry out too fast. Let me show you the texture of this kajal. Can you just see, it is just one swipe of this kajal and it is so pigmented and so intense black in shade, and these are smudge proof. Can you just see? Nothing. So yes, I really like this kajal because it is very easy to use. Now this kajal is paraben free and also it is free from all harmful chemicals, so you can apply this kajal without thinking twice on your eyelid area, because this kajal is dermatologically tested and ophthalmologically certified. This kajal is made in Europe. It is 100% vegan. This is smudge proof, transfer proof, and yes, this kajal is waterproof. You need an oil-based makeup remover to remove this kajal, otherwise it is really hard to remove this kajal just with an wet wipes. The kajal is pretty matte in texture. It stays like 7 to 8 hours on my eyes, and yes, if you have sensitive or watery kind of eyes, this kajal is not going to irritate you a single bit on your eyes, because I have a very irritating kind of sensitive eyes, and that's why whenever I use any kajal I always end up having watery eyes. But this kajal is so good that I have applied it on my upper eyelid area and also on my waterline area, and you can see that my eyes is not even watery. I am feeling so comfortable on my eyes after using this kajal. It's just that I feel like I have weared nothing on my eyes. It is that much lightweight and that much good. Now this kajal is also claimed to nourish my eyes because it have all the natural oils and vitamins. So yes, this is another product from Bellora Cosmetics which is just full of goodness, and you can use it as your makeup. Moving on to the last but not the least product, and it is one of my favorite product, and that is Bellora Cosmetics Give No Evidence liquid lipsticks. Now Bellora Cosmetics have a huge range of lipstick in this range, I mean in their liquid lipstick range. The price of these liquid lipsticks are rupees 5.99 each, where you are going to get 4.5 ml of product, and this is the outer carton box of the lipstick, whereas the lipstick actually look like this. I really like the packaging of this lipstick. The packaging is really luxurious kind of, and I really like the square kind of shape of this liquid lipstick, because this kind of packaging is really helpful when you keep this liquid lipstick on your stash. They can stand still like so. So definitely the packaging, the shape of this liquid lipstick is really good. So now moving on to the texture of this lipstick. Let me show you the texture first. So this is how the wand of this lipstick look like. The wand have a very beautiful doe foot kind of applicator. The doe foot kind of applicator is little bit on the stiffer side, which is actually very good because you can also line and fill up your lips using this wand only. And let me show you the lipstick. This is just one swipe of this lipstick. Can you just see, it is so pigmented. It have like one swipe color payoff. Now this lipstick have a very good coverage, for which if you have pigmented lips you don't need to worry. This lipstick is going to cover all your pigmentation from your lips, giving that exact shade that is in this lipstick. So I really like the texture of this lipstick. The texture of this lipstick is very lightweight. You don't feel like you are wearing something. The lipstick is matte in texture, but yes, it is very comfortable on my lips. I am not feeling like it making my lips dry because I am wearing this lipstick from past 1.5 hours. Until now I feel like I have wear nothing on my lips. It is definitely transfer proof and kiss proof. No trace of this liquid lipstick on my hand, and you can see how beautiful the color is. The lipstick just blurred out all the lip lines. Usually if you wear any matte lipstick, they just settle down on your lip lines, enhancing your lip lines, making it look really dry. But this lipstick actually blur out all the lip lines, and I really like the feelings of having like blur kind of matte effect on my lips. The texture of this liquid lipstick is not too runny, neither too thick. It has a very balanced kind of consistency. I really like it. I just love this liquid lipstick. It stays like 12 hours on my lips, and yes, you definitely need an oil-based makeup remover to remove this lipstick. Otherwise, on wet wipes or just with water, you can't remove this liquid lipstick. The lipstick is so hydrating and so nourishing kind of on my lips. I feel like I have weared nothing on my lips. It's just because that this lipstick have all the vitamins and oils that just nourishes and hydrate your lips. So yes, I'm really happy that I tried out product from Bellora Cosmetics because all of their makeup products are full of goodness. I tried out all this product from Bellora Cosmetics because when you are investing your money on makeup or skincare product, you always expect that those brands should give some goodness in those makeup and skincare products, so that whenever you apply those products on your skin doesn't get irritated or your skin doesn't get damaged from those products. I feel like Bellora Cosmetics has definitely lived up to that expectation because all their makeup products are full of goodness, no matter whether it is their illuminating moisturizer or a simple kajal or a lipstick. Every product has full of goodness of vitamins and oils that just nourishes your skin, lips, eyes. So yes, overall I'm really impressed with Bellora Cosmetics, and I would definitely love to recommend you all to try out their product. So let's start the tutorial of this glam makeup look using only 3 products, all from Bellora Cosmetics. So starting with Bellora Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer, and I am applying it as a moisturizer on my entire face, and I'm just blending it with my hand. So in the next step, you can take any foundation of your choice according to your skin type, and you can mix this Bellora Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer in 1:1 ratio like so. And then you can apply this foundation all over on your face in a dot wise, blending this entire foundation with a damp sponge. You can see my base is looking little bit glowy, and not to forget your neck area also. Now I am applying this same foundation on my under eye area and also on my upper eyelid area, just to give a very thin layer of base. As it is summer, so less is more. Now in the next step, I am going to use the same Bellora Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer, and I took a dot wise of this moisturizer. I am going to highlight on my collarbone, a little bit on my neck and on my shoulder, and blending everything with the damp sponge. Now in the next step, I am just applying this Bellora Cosmetics Illuminating Moisturizer as a highlighter on my high point of my face, like on my cheekbone and little bit on my bridge of my nose, little bit on my cupid bone and forehead also. Now just setting my eyebrows with a spoolie. You can shape your eyebrows with any eyebrow pencil. Moving on to the next step. In next step, I use a golden eyeshadow on top of my upper eyelid area. You can definitely use a golden eyeshadow, or you can skip this part and jump into the kajal part. So for kajal today, I took Bellora Cosmetics kajal, and it is a jet black kajal. So first I am just applying this kajal on my upper eyelid area, and I am trying to draw a wing liner with this kajal. Followed by I am just blending this kajal on my upper eyelid area with a small pencil brush like so, creating a smoky look. And you can see I am just trying to wing it out with the kajal and with the brush combo. Now in the next step, I have just applied this kajal on my waterline area, and I am also going to tightline with the same kajal like so. Now blending the kajal with the same small pencil brush, and for the final touch I am just applying the kajal once again, just to create jet black smoky look. Now moving on to the blush part. For blush today, I am going to use Bellora Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and I have just applied 3 dots on my cheekbone like you can see, and blending that 3 dots with the damp same sponge. It might take a little bit of time, but all you need, just keep on blending and have some little patience, and you can see how beautiful it is looking on my cheekbone. So I am just moving on to my next cheek and doing the same. In the next process, I am just applying 2 dots on the apple of my cheeks, just to add a little bit of blush on that area also, because I feel like I need a flush of color on my apple of the cheeks also. As it is a summer look, I need a very natural glam kind of look, and that's why I am just reapplying the illuminating moisturizer from the Bellura Cosmetics, and I have just applied on my high point of my face area once again, just to add a little bit of more glow. Now this time I am not blending the entire illuminating moisturizer with the blender. I am just dabbing it a little bit to set it into the skin and to give a very subtle glow, like you can see. Moving on to the lipstick part, where I am going to use Bellura Cosmetics Leave No Evidence Liquid Matte Lipstick in shade Dragon Pink, and I am just lining and filling up my lips using the same lipstick. And yes, my final look is done, and you can see how beautiful it is and so easy to do using only 3 products, all from Bellura Cosmetics. So yeah, that's complete my easy quick tutorial using only 3 products from Bellura Cosmetics. I hope you like this look, and I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and stay stylish. Bye.